students at Pulse Martial Arts Academy had the amazing opportunity to learn about the fundamentals of electricity and solar power in a fun and practical class. Students learned to build solar suitcases designed and provided by We Share Solar, an organization with a mission to empower students to be global changemakers. With the sponsorship of Wells Fargo, we were able to take 2 of these solar suitcases that were built by the students to be deployed in Haiti. There, the suitcases would be installed at one of our martial arts schools and a school in the countryside where it is completely off-grid. The locals are extremely happy and thankful, and it will give them hours of extended productivity for study, training, and community engagement. The solar suitcases will provide a source of clean, renewable, and safe lighting for years to come. Thanks again to our partners, Wells Fargo and We Share Solar, for helping us make a difference in these communities.